Hello, everyone. If you are aging, just type in the chat window, I'm aging. In fact, everyone is aging. Let me ask you this question. Have you crossed your 30s? And in case you have crossed your 30, I have another question for you. Have you ever experienced any pain inside your body or any swelling inside your body? Apart from this, let me ask you another question. Have you ever experienced any pain just below your right chest and above the right abdomen? What I'm going to do is that I'm going to integrate these two things in one disease or one problem, physical problem, okay? That is called as acute cholecystitis. I'm going to talk about that, what is this, and also apart from medication, how you can scale up its recovery. Hello everyone, this is Kumar Gaurav, Scale Up Abundance Coach. How do I work generally in health sector? I advise continue to do your medication, but apart from that, you need to also integrate few things which will help you to scale up your recovery process. And once you do that, it impacts your money zone. To know more in detail about it, stay till the end, subscribe to this channel and interact with me even if you're listening this as a recording. What exactly happened this acute cholecystitis? I'm going to talk about it. And for that, you need to just introspect. And while you are introspecting, and if you have ever attended my free webinar, I generally talk about any ailments that takes place in body, any disease or disorder, there is a recovery process of that. But just before that, you need to know the root cause behind it. And the moment you understand the root cause, let the medication go on and apply some other factor. Like I talk about elementary assorted talk. What is this assorted talk? What is elementary assorted talk? To know about it, you must search this in my YouTube videos and you will look out about it. You will look for that, you will start using that and you will see the result of it. There are multiple ways through which, apart from medication, the moment you add it, what exactly happens, you scale up your recovery process. And it impacts your wealth zone as well, because you save a lot of money. You will avoid the surgery, you will avoid the transplant and multiple things once you adopt the elite training. What is elite training? Elite training is simple, elementary, assorted talk that you need to do with yourself, okay, based on the identified root cause of any disease or disorder. To learn more about it into detail, I always welcome you and invite you to be the part of my free webinar, where you will be completely blown away that how ailment or disorder or disease is a call to take some lesson and thereby develop a skill. But you may say, hey, I have crossed my 60s or 50s or 70s or 40s or 30s. I don't think I should develop any skill and I should take any lesson and become expert on anything. But trust me, these all things hit to the body, and 20% it start damaging the body, okay, the tissues, the cells, and in fact, I would say that you might have heard about it, 90 to 80% are psychosomatic diseases, only 10 to 20%. In fact, the people who have worked on themselves would say that 1% is in reality the problems are available inside physical body, and that happens because of sudden tissue growth or cell movement, or in fact the body movement, and the cell group dying or cell group taking birth, or unnatural cells getting into the part of some group of the cells unnaturally. How does it all happen? You don't need to know how, but you need to know what and the root cause of it, right? So from there you can develop the process of scaling up and recovery. So in case you have ever experienced the swelling inside your body, or if you are suffering from acute cholecystitis, then this is for you. And for that, I would request you to mark this channel as a subscribe, hit the bell icon, and interact with me through comments, and I'm here to help you. So the very first thing today what I am going to tell is that acute cholecystitis is nothing but it's a kind of inflammation and swelling inside your body. And when you know that it is a kind of a swelling, it gives you the pain and it hurts you, then immediately either you want the treatment of it and it's suppressed through the medicine. At that moment, any problem from further to occur, but it does not eliminate the root cause of it. And for that, you continue to have medication, but along with that, you need to practice certain self-talk. Okay. Let me tell you in this way, no one has ever spoken to you in this way. Have you ever argued with someone, my dear friend? Whenever, if you have argued with someone, your voice raises, right? And the moment your voice raises, you start stopping your listening, right? Whatever the outer world talks to you, even in your ears shouting, you are listening to your heart, your voice, your head. That's it. Your every cellular system forms a group and makes a team and start convincing from you within, hey, this is you, you are the right, whatever you are speaking, that is absolutely 100% right. You are from within completely convinced. But my dear friend, let me tell you, that is a kind of affirmation, that is a kind of approval you are bringing from within, and that is the moment when you try to make sure the person with whom you are into argument was incorrect. Even when you come later and you realize that in fact that was the moment when you were not right or you were not correct, in fact some misunderstanding was there. But think of that moment when you were trying to prove yourself that you were right. Your every cell had supported that moment to you. The same thing I want you to adopt and continue for recovery of your health. That comes with the self-talk. Few self-talk, which the moment you identify the root cause behind any problem, you frame your own affirmations or self-talk and start using it in your daily routine, day and night. You might be knowing so far about your alpha waves of your brain, and you need to convince that, in fact, every cellular system that what you are going to tell yourself is right. So for this acute inflammable problem, which is called as cholecystitis, how you can cure it apart from medication? So for that, there are multiple reasons. You have some psychological loads, you have taken stress, okay, you have some social issues, and you are not forgiving someone, you are not accepting the flow. These are multiple reasons, okay, generating some blockages, generating some pain, and that hits your organ, and the emotional packets sit and hits and change the structure of your cells and tissues. You need to correct them through your power of words. How? Because the moment you start speaking, the moment you start, even you smile, certain dopamine or serotonin and different hormones get released, because your mind, subconscious mind, cannot differentiate between what is reality and what is the fake. So even if you smile without any reason, sometimes you start feeling good. Because I have asked you and gave you this problem, gave you this solution, I would want you to just smile over here. Okay, just fake it. Okay, just fake it, and what you are going to notice, you will feel little good about it. Many people take effort even in smiling. They cannot smile even if you'll ask them. They cannot. Are you one of them? I'm sure if you are interacting, you are listening to me, you are not one of them. Just try it. Take a pause, try it. Even while you are listening to me, try to smile, okay? And you will see a slight shift inside your brain, inside your body towards the ease, right? And that's what the small shift we have to bring inside our body and brain, and we have to integrate to cure it. So what you can tell, so I always tell that I hire a taxi of flow, and I forgive everyone in my mind and let them go. I forgive myself as well and let myself grow. I invite the ease and peace and the flow, and can move on various beats to dance, so that I can attract a bit and bite and the treasure towards abundance. Yeah, so you can just reverse it, come back over here. Whatever I have spoken just now, that's the power of affirmation. If you repeat it every single day with the relaxed body and mind, you are going to get amazed. Okay, so my dear friend, with this affirmation, I want you to practice it daily, okay, and start feeling bit light. Okay, when you get into the raged mode and start convincing yourself, even sometime looking at the mirror, this is going to do some wonders. Soon what I'll be doing, I'll be bringing some elementary assorted talk weaved with some binaural waves, which is going to heal these kind of inflammation, swelling and pain, and thereby the solution to acute cholecystitis. Thank you so much. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Scale Up Abundance Coach. I wish you a fast health recovery, thereby lot of abundance in your life, towards the wealth as well, towards the purity. But always remember, there is a step to reach to the abundance. Train yourself for positivity, then purity, and then prosperity. If you loved it, hit the bell icon, subscribe to this channel, show some hearts in the comment, and get connected. Join my Facebook group as well, where you will get lot of such golden nuggets. Thank you so much. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, and once again, I request you to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye, take care, and be well, do well, get well, and start making others well. Thank you so much. Keep smiling. Ta-da.